about 8:45. What we're gonna do now is get the ribs ready for tomorrow.
And I'm still awake.
And she's still awake.
So, do they even remember me?
First of all, what you're gonna need is a nice sharp knife. This is a boning knife. These are pork back ribs. We're gonna cut them apart. Take the membrane off the back, clean them up a little bit, pat them down dry. Then we're going to apply our seasoning that we made the other day. Check out our other video and go from there. Usually I do not boil them. We're going to put these on the smoker around, we're going to put these on the barbecue with the smoke bin, and we're going to put them around 250 to 275. We'll let them smoke for a few hours, and then we will be done with the smoke. They will only take so much smoke, and I do not have an actual smoker. It's just a smoker box. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try boiling 2 packs of ribs here, and we will smoke these ones, boil these ones, and then put these on once these have smoked for a bit, and really try and test out what the difference is between if you decide to boil your ribs or just low and slow for a few hours.
Give us a thumbs up and click the bell.
Yes, so you need to click the subscribe button and the notifications so that every time a new video comes up, you'll get notified, and this way you can see it. So subscribe, hit that notification button, and give us some likes, thumbs up, as Melina calls it. So we're gonna put some paper towels down here.
A lot?
This is a lot, yes. But we don't want the meat wet, like full of water. We're gonna soak it all up. So I'm gonna bring over some meat. We'll lay it down like this. And then what I'm gonna do is we'll go through each one and chop a little bit of the stuff off that's no good.
If you have a lot, if you have a little bit, you probably won't use as much towels.
Alright, so pat the ribs down, nice, and basically you're just trying to soak up any of the excess juice. So you do that. I'm going to flip this one because I've already done them, most of them. Flip it, and pat this side down now. It should be good, but we're going to check it.
There's bones in it.
Yes, there's lots of bones in there because these are ribs. Alright, so here's a trick. You can grab yourself a fork. You want to go in between these bones here. See this cartilage? It's not really cartilage. I don't know what they call it exactly. You want to try and pick this off. Just like this. Make sure it comes off, all of it. This is just a piece that nobody really likes. It doesn't make, it ends up making the rib chewy. Like, I can't even put my finger through it. It's pretty tough. So that is the back skin. It's not really skin from the pig or anything like that. It's just the part that is kind of gross to eat. We're going to clean up a little bit. We'll be right back. So on these ones here, we're just going to put the rub on. We'll let them stay in there overnight. I think they're actually going to be boiled. We're going to try these ones boiled, and then I'll put them on the grill after. The other ones, we're going to do a mustard base first.
I'll pour some.
Alright, so these are pretty much done.
I was the one.
Okay, so those are done. We're going to put them over here for now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the lid, put all those face down. So
is this how it's facing?
Bone up. So put them down.
This?
Yeah, that's the bone up. So I want them all on there nice and even. We're going to try and do some competition ribs. They're going to look really good.
How do we do competition?
Well, they're going to look really, really, really good. Is what we want them to look nice and taste good. So we're gonna call these ones competition ribs. So what we're gonna do now, we will put the mustard on like this. Move your hands, please. That's enough. That's enough. Leave them there. Put the mustard on like this, just a little bit. This isn't really gonna flavor it too much. You're not gonna tell, but what it's gonna do I'll show you how to do these ones and I'll let you do the other ones, okay?
Okay.
So what it's going to do is it's going to let the spices bind to it. Alright, so we're going to flip these. Spread this out evenly. Again, you want to get it all in the corners here. You don't think you have enough? Put some more. You just want it to be coated, because when we put the dry rub on, it's going to stick to it.
My grandma.
Okay, push this over to the side, and you can put these ones on there.
Can I put the mustard on by myself?
I think it's very important to involve your kids. Look at me when I do it. Nice and slow, like this. Okay, like a paintbrush. You go a little faster than that, but you want to keep it so that you're not squirting it all over the place. I think it's important to involve your children in cooking. Too many people nowadays don't know how to cook. The only way that you're going to learn is by someone teaching you. So we got the rest of those ribs done. What we're going to do now, this lid is not really airtight. I'd like it to be airtight. So we're going to put some of this wrap stuff on it.
But,
You use regular plastic wrap.
and you can use a different, like, bowl.
You use a bowl.
It just needs to be big enough to fit all your ribs in it.
So let's put this on here. And that's it for today.
But how are we going to fit
So-
it in the fridge?
We have a fridge in the back room. This fits in the bottom where those ribs were. So we did all that. What time is it now? It's now 9:30. This is going to go in the fridge. Tomorrow about noon, I'm going to pull this out, start the barbecue up,
And
the barbecue.
start the camera.
get the barbecue preheated,
And then
get the smoker going.
And then just.
Here's some wood chips that we're going to use. Vermont
Those are-
casting. Really, the branding doesn't matter as long as they're actual wood chips to be smoked. Put it in water, let it soak for 30 minutes. I like to soak it for at least half an hour. Like it says, most of the time it soaks for a little bit more. Alright, so that's the end of the video for now. There will be a part 2 for when we actually cook the food. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe,
And click the bell.
and don't forget to hit the notification so that you guys can figure out when the new videos are posted.